Greetings everyone, this is Siddharth Bajpayee and I'm about to present my project related to data analysis of cars present in India. So it is a B2B based end-to-end product for a car company that wants to introduce a car into the Indian market. It will help them to analyze the Indian car market more and provide them a better perspective about the Indian cars. Now, what are tech stacks used? The tech stack used are TensorFlow, Jinja 2, Flask and Plotly. Now let us see the demonstration of the app. So this is the landing page. Now let us move to the data analysis part. So, so comparing two cars of different varieties will be wrong. So for the same purpose, I have divided all the cars into the 8 clusters. So that we can study the different clusters separately. So as we can see the data here, the number of cars versus the car count, segments versus car count. So here, as you can see here, the second segment is having most number of cars, 772. Whereas when we look at this cluster of which it is having only 7 cars. Same is reflected here at the average price. The cars which are more in number is having least average price. And the segment which is having least number of cars is having most number of price. So it means that in India, the cars which are of lower price are more popular. Here you can see the power versus price clustering. So this is related to second cluster, which is showing that the power range is very less. If we see the second cluster, but the range is more. If we see the cars with the higher price, so let we can study the different segments separately. So if we go to the second segment, we can see here that a number of cars as a brand, which is showing that Maruti Suzuki is having most number of cars in the second segment, which is about 143 cars. Here you can see here that the different popular specification combinations. Here, if you can see that there are 772 cars in which the body type, most popular body type is hatchback. You can see the pie chart also. If we see the petrol, if we see the fuel type, we can see clearly that petrol is of 53%, whereas there is only 46% of diesel. If we see the type, is it automatic or manual or different types, we can see that 78.4% are manual. Now there is one more feature of which is price prediction. So I have so we can input the data and we can get the price. So I have already curated this Mahindra Scorpio data, which is 17 as mileage. Displacement is 2179. Okay, now power is 136 horsepower. All the data are aligned to the units which are being provided. Seating capacity is 8. Seating capacity is 8. Okay, now number of cylinders. Number of cylinders are actually 4. Uh, what is left? Torque. Now torque is around 319. Number of airbags. Number of airbags are 4. What is the fuel tank capacity? Fuel tank capacity is 60. Fuel tank capacity is 60 and number of doors are 4, and we'll select the different parameters separately. So these are the parameters. Yes, exactly. So these are the only parameters which are available. Now we click on predict and pay. So the price is 12.80 lakhs, and what is the original price? It is around 13.5. So it is near around price is okay. Now we have also provided with the environment. So the data which we have provided, the car which is seen in the game is having similar data. So the car is having more torque. So as you can see here, the car is moving fast, and the fuel capacity is in according to which is being entered. So that's all about my project. Thank you so much for seeing my project, and it was a great learning project working on this project. Thank you so much. Signing off.